Hi, I'm Snooki Serna, a proud celebrity distributor and product user of JC Premier. I was introduced to JC Premier by a very good friend. Parang I was so hesitant and kind of like cynical to join kasi in the past I've joined some companies that turned out to be disastrous for me. I put in a lot of money and my time, but in the end of it all, wala naman ako nakuhang dividendo, hindi ako nag-earn. From the time on, I started little by little. I'm happy with JC Premier that I found it, and this is the company for me. A new healthy lifestyle. I've tried the products, and the products will speak for itself. The good thing with JC Premier, its products are all consistent. They're not run-of-the-mill, no? Talagang ang produkto galing sa Japan, sa New Zealand. I'm very particular kung halal ba. And all these things, all this that I was looking for, I found in JC Premier products. Organic spirulina especially is very good to boost the immune system. Lalo pa, ako, kailangan ko talaga, lalo na sa mga taong, mga hardworking, mga nagtatrabaho po sa atin sa call centers na ang oras po natin napaka-erratic. Medyo hindi po natin inaalintana kung tayo po ay nagtatrabaho ng medyo wala na sa oras. It became a good substitute practically for all the vitamins that I had to take. It also prevents anemia because of its high concentration of bioavailable iron in the body. It takes away fatigue, prevents allergies. This is a big support for the liver and kidney. My immune system is in much better condition. Health is wealth. So, welcome to the good life.